Hey, hope you all are very well. In fact, with Ali Abid, we will turn the pages of history and review one of the greatest masterpieces of our time. Gulzar Mahal, one of the greatest places of its time. Gulzar Mahal. The place is located in Bahawalpur, an independent state of Pakistan. Bahawalpur was the first independent state of Pakistan, and for 1 year, the state bore all the expenses of Pakistan and made Pakistan a prosperous and stable country with zero trickery up to a well developed country which a fair independent stated with no services and no trickery, then became an independent state. At the time of independence, Pakistan was deprived of capital as well as industries, and only 37 industries out of the total 950 industries were given to the Pakistan located in subcontinent. In view of such a dire circumstances, the Nawab of Bahawalpur welcomed the Pakistan with the opened arms and with the great enthusiasm. All the places of Bahawalpur have been preserved and maintained by the Pakistan Army in a very professional manner and in their original excellent condition. Gulzar Palace has four parts. The lowest part has tunnels and basements which are closed now, were used to travel from one place to another at the times. The second part of the place has a hall, and the right and left rooms were used to accommodate the guests of the time. The third part of houses were the residence of the royal guests and were the best rooms used to accommodate royal guests and the families. And the fourth part has a terrace with a small arched tomb. The construction of this place started during the reign of Nawab Bahawalpur Khan Abbasi, the father of Nawab Siddiq Muhammad Khan Abbasi. Gulzar Mahal was built between 1906 and 1909. It was constructed during the reign of Nawab Sadiq Muhammad Khan. It was built as a residence for the women of royal family. The place has been well maintained by the Pakistan Army since 1966. The wooden steps used to reach off the room of the place are still in their original condition and are well maintained. If we climb these wooden steps to reach the terrace, there is a very beautiful and spacious courtyard consisting of arched rooms. The place also has a kitchen, mosque, stables of horses, servant quarters for the employees, and a water wall. Nawab Bahawalpur Khan Abbasi died at the age of 25. Before his death, he visited Makkah with his family for the sake of Hajj, and as soon as he returned from Hajj, this place was under construction and he died during that time. And finally, its construction was completed during the reign of Nawab Sadiq Muhammad Khan, who was only 2 years old at the time of his father's death. We pay tribute to the Pak Army for the preserving these rare and masterpieces places today. Thank you.